In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files, share files on Speechify. First, open your favorite web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Speechify and press enter. Click the official Speechify website to open it. This gets you to the home base where you can manage your reading materials. Once you're in, look for the File menu or the option to upload. Click File, then choose Browse Files. Your computer's file picker will appear. Navigate to the document you want to add. Speechify supports PDF, docx, txt, epub, and even images. Quick tip: if your file name is long or confusing, consider renaming it before uploading. It will make it easier to find later, especially in larger libraries where you might be searching by title. Select your file and click Open. Speechify will upload your file. When it finishes, it will show up in your Library or My Files section. That means it's saved. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. A stable internet connection helps, and very large files may take longer to process. Now, let's share it. Open the file you want to share. Then, at the top center, locate the small arrow next to the file title. Click that arrow to reveal more options, and choose Share. Speechify will automatically copy a link to your clipboard. From here, paste that link into your preferred app, email, Messenger, WhatsApp, or even in a note or a shared Google Drive doc. Before sending, think about who should have access. If the content is private, share only with trusted contacts and avoid posting the link publicly. When pasting on mobile, tap and hold in the message field to bring up paste. On desktop, use Ctrl-V or Command-V. That's all you need to save and share files on Speechify. If you plan to upload frequently, keep a dedicated folder on your computer for the documents you read most. It streamlines the browse files step. And if an upload ever fails, try a different supported format, reduce file size, or check your connection. Thanks for watching. By following these simple actions, search, open, browse, select, and share, you'll keep your files organized, accessible, and ready to send in just a few clicks.